You guys are the next generation of baking superstars.
We're doing sibling teams.
Siblings baking together? What could go wrong?
We're about to find out.
A new show on Food Network is premiering 1 week from today. And as you heard, for the first time ever, 12 teams of young siblings between the ages of 8 and 14 will compete to win $25,000 and become the next generation of baking champs. Well, guess what? Some of our very own will be taking part in this challenge. You can watch brothers Michael and Liam Nelson from Pleasant Grove compete to win. That's you. That's you. You're here. You're here. You guys, welcome to our kitchen studios.
Hello.
How are you?
So great.
You guys are about to be on like the big TV, like the big stage.
It's crazy.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you going to have a viewing party? Is Grandma going to record it? What are the plans?
We don't have any major plans yet, but our grandma is probably going to be recording.
For sure.
Yeah.
And I think a lot of people will be recording it now, knowing we have two friends to cheer for.
Yeah.
How you filmed this many months ago, right? It's going to roll out, as I said, a week from today. If you were to summarize this experience, and you can't tell us what happened, I know. They've been locked down. It's a secret that we must keep. But if you were to describe this experience in one word, what would you say, Liam?
I would probably say opportunity.
Opportunity.
Because it was just such an amazing opportunity that is going to probably affect me for the rest of my life. It was amazing.
I love that. Michael, what about you?
I think exciting.
Was it exciting?
Yeah.
Probably still is.
Yeah.
To think that you did that and that you got to do it together. Is he a bossy big brother? No. Do you work together well in the kitchen? Do you come together a lot at home?
Yeah, but
Yeah, we try to.
There's always some difficulties with being brothers, you know?
Sure.
Always some disagreement with fighting or saying that one idea is better than the other. But
Sure, just comes with it, right?
Yeah.
Your mom told me though, and I know you're a great cooker, baker in your own right, but you kind of lead out in the family. You like to be in the kitchen.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
When did you discover you had this love for food and preparing it?
Probably around 6 years ago when my younger brother Charlie was born. And just that summer, I just started baking for them, whether that's just breakfast in the morning with like French toast. And then I started making cupcakes and brownies and cookies for them. And it just kept expanding to something
No
bigger.
wonder your mom's bragging on you. No wonder your parents are so, in part, proud of all you've done because you help out, right? In the kitchen. That's cool. Could you rub off on my kids? I would love that. Anything fun that you can tell us you made on the show? Can you talk about what you made, or is that under lock and key too?
That's under.
Okay.
I don't think we can.
But some fun challenges.
Some fun stuff.
Where you had to test the brotherhood.
Yeah.
I can't wait to see. What are you going to show us how to make today?
So today we made French macarons with an American buttercream and a raspberry curd.
These are hard to make.
No, they're.
Tell me. Are they easy? Michael, he'll give it to me
There's
straight.
like, if you get like the ratio on something just a little bit wrong, it can make everything.
It can affect the whole thing.
They're kind of fussy. I remember this because I took a macaron class. Don't you have to measure like every gram of...
every ounce, gram. It's crazy.
Well, you've done it, and clearly you've done it well. I love the marbling and the swirl, but we're not going to stop with just the cookie and the frosting. You've got a fun way to dress it up for like New Year's?
Yeah. So our little twist on it to make it New Year's was, of course, the colors with the pink and the blue.
Yeah.
And then what we wanted to make the twist for like fireworks was the pop rocks.
Fireworks like on not just the 4th of July, but on New Year's too.
Yeah.
All right, how would we put this together?
Okay, so what we're gonna do, let's just grab this one right here.
Should we all do it?
Oh yeah, sure,
Yeah, let's all
go
do
for
it.
it. Okay, so here, grab this frosting right here. What you're gonna do, okay, Michael, we're gonna have to share. Okay, so stay right here.
There's that compromise, that brotherly love. I love it.
So we're gonna get the frosting, and then we're just gonna push it around
the base.
The edge of the base.
I love that you trust me now that I told you I took a class or something.
It looks like that.
Okay,
And then here you go. You can try it right there.
Michael, how'd I do?
Yeah, good.
Okay, good enough.
And then we're all gonna share the curd.
That's great.
But what we're gonna do is we're just gonna squeeze it.
Oh, curd in the middle.
Okay.
You guys are really dressing it up.
So it comes out really fast. So there you go.
Yeah.
Okay. Then Michael, did you do yours yet?
No.
Okay.
Michael,
Start it.
he is a little bossy, but in the best of ways. In the best of ways.
So then what we're gonna
Someone's got to keep us on
is
track.
we're gonna sprinkle pop rocks on it.
Oh, in the middle. So when you bite it, it's just gonna pop and crackle and be just a fun little party.
Okay, so you got it?
Got stuck a little bit.
You too. I like this. I bet your parents are so
there we
proud
go.
for realsy. Look at you working together.
So there's the curd. Okay, so then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put them on.
Oh, and You can't press too hard.
You can't press too hard
Macarons
because of
are
how
gentle.
delicate.
They are fussy after all.
So
sorry about that.
No,
Turn it over.
you're
No one will know.
totally fine.
No one will know.
Okay.
Did you have moments like that on the show where you had to like cover a mistake or repair an oops? Yeah.
A couple of times.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're just gonna do a little squeeze like that.
Oh, do it on top.
Yeah. Do you want to try it?
I do.
Okay, go for it. Here's another one right here.
Michael needs some Pop Rocks.
Go for Pop Rocks. Here you
Pass
go.
the Pop Rocks. Okay, let's finish it off.
And
How do we finish it off?
Sprinkle some Pop Rocks.
Oh, more on top? I like your style. You guys, you're so much fun and really kind and polite and all of the things that I think will set you up to be.
There we go.
A stellar TV duo.
Does that look good?
Love it. Yes.
Okay. And then here you go. You have.
Then we eat it. Did you get to eat the food that you made on Food Network? Not all of it.
Not
some of
all of it.
Okay.
A little bit.
All right, you guys. A week from today, we'll be watching.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Yeah. Okay.
Cheering you on. Now we know who we're cheering for. The Nelson brothers from Pleasant Grove. We can cheer them on again starting Monday on the Food Network. Thanks, you two.
Thank you so much.
Fun to meet you. Now we eat. Now we eat.
Now we eat.